Good morning, class. As yesterday we have completed our chapter 8 in English literature, that was Wise Men of Ramnagar, in course book and in workbook also. Now, today we are going to start with English language, new chapter, that is prepositions. The preposition is on page number 47. Now, before starting the preposition chapter, let me tell you some things about what are prepositions, some examples of prepositions, and some other things also based on prepositions. Preposition is a function word that typically combines a noun phrase to form a phrase which usually expresses a modification or prediction. In other words, preposition is a word which combines noun phrase or some other phrase which gives a modification to the words. Now, in other words, we can say that it is a word or a phrase that connects a noun or a pronoun to a verb or an adjective. It is a word which connects noun or a pronoun to a verb. Verb is a doing action and noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. It connects noun or a pronoun to the verb or an adjective in a sentence. Noun or pronoun, verb or adjective in a sentence only. Verb is a doing action and adjective tells us the quality of something. It combines that in a sentence. It forms a sentence in that. Some common prepositions are at, by, for, from, in, to, on. Others are across, after, against, among, below, behind, beneath, beside, except, into, like. All these are prepositions which we use to combine two sentences only. For example, we can take he sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. On here is the prepositions. Now, let me take you some other examples also. Second one which I am taking is the cat jumped off the counter. The cat jumped off the counter. Off here is the preposition. He drove over the bridge. Over is the preposition over here. This book belongs to me. This book belongs to me only. So here belong is the preposition over here. Now I hope you have understood what are prepositions, but let us go through the book now so that prepositions should be more clear to all of you. Now let us start from the book. Now let us begin with chapter 14, prepositions. It's on page number 47. Prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentences. As I've told you that prepositions are those words which join two sentences, join two phrases or a sentences. On, of, for, from, in, into, upon, to, about, beyond, over, etc. are prepositions. These are all the examples of prepositions only. On, of, for, in, into, upon, to, about, beyond, over, etc. are all prepositions. Now, let us go to the first example. The frog jumped into the well. Where did the frog jump? Into the well. So, into here is the preposition. Second example is he fell from the horse. Where did he fell from? He fell from the horse. So, from here is the preposition. Now, let us go to the third example. Who was talking about me? About here is the preposition. Fourth example is I study from dash from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. From and to here are the prepositions. Now, fifth example is my uncle presented this watch to me. In this sentence, to over here is the preposition because my uncle presented the watch to me. To is joining two sentences. The bulb was above the picture. Where was the bulb? The bulb was above. That means above is joining these two sentences. The book is on the table. Where's the book? The book is on the table. On is the preposition over here. I like the people of Japan. Of over here is the preposition. The horse jumped over the fence. Over the fence means through the fence. So over here is the prepositions. Now, in these sentences, into, from, about, from, to, above, on, of, over. All these are the prepositions which are being used, which are joining two sentences and which are used before noun or pronouns to show their relationship with the sentences only. Now, I hope now the preposition chapter is clear to all of you. Now, let me tell you what you have to write today in your notebook. You have to write the definition of preposition with some of the examples in your notebook also today. First of all, what you all are going to do in your notebook is put the serial number, today's date, chapter 14, prepositions, and count the number of page and write it here. Don't complete the page number as we have to do the exercise still. Now turn the page and write today's date, classwork, chapter 14, that is prepositions. Now, prepositions are the word used before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. On, of, for, from, in, into, upon, to, about, beyond, over, etc. are prepositions. Now, after writing the definition, you have to write some of the examples here also. And let us repeat the definition. Prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. On, of, for, from, in, upon, to, about, beyond, over, etc. are prepositions. Now, let us go to the examples. The frog jumped into the well. You have to write into using black pen and underline into as it is the preposition. So, highlight it. Second one is he fell from the horse. Like the same way, write from using black pen and underline the word from also. Third example is the book is on the table. Where's the book? On the table. So, underline the word on and write it using black pen as we have to write the prepositions over here. So, underline and write all the prepositions using black pen only. Fourth one is I like the people of Japan. Of here is the preposition. So, you have to write it using black pen and underline it also. Fifth one is who was talking about me. Write about using black pen and underline the word about over here. After completing and after writing the definition, you have to underline at the end. Now, homework for you all is to learn the back exercises of chapter 8, The Wise Men of Ramnagar. Thank you.